Govee lights, RGBIC. These are Govee floodlights. Water resistant. These things are awesome. Govee, making life smart. Boom. Thanks for choosing Govee. Oh, look at the presentation. The user manual right here. But like it, share it, Govee. Look at the presentation. These lights are awesome. These lights look good. You have 4 RGBIC floodlights. These things are IP66 waterproof floodlights. You can use them outdoor with the Govee app. Bluetooth, Wi-Fi compatible. These are like little pegs. You can install the lights and just put them into your grass lawn. Installs in seconds. Boom, and install. These things will screw onto your floodlight and then you just ground them to the ground. So you have 4 of them because it's a 4-pack of 4 Govee flood lamps. So you have 4 of these pegs. Very long wires because these are for outdoors. You can light up these lights like all around. This is a really long power cord. You have the remote control here to turn it on and off. This is like the power cord. So you have a manual control. You have the AC adapter. Each of the lights will plug into these little sockets right here. So you have 4 different sockets because it's a 4-pack and your lights will go into each of these sockets right here. Very simple, very easy. Govee floor lamps. These are IP66 water resistant RGBICs. Look how nicely they're packed. That's one right here. There's 4 of these beautiful lights. These lights are nice water resistant IP66 going from 2700 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin. Nice water resistant. You have the panel right here. You can mount them on the ground. You can mount them on the wall. You can mount them on the ceiling. You can aim them and point them wherever you want. Each of these Govee floodlights have a connector that will connect into our power cord right here. We'll just connect one of them right here. You line up the little key with the little key on this end. You slide it in. And there's a little water insulation seal right there. And then you have this nut right here. Just screw it in. And that seals it and it makes it tight. Watertight right here. This is another light. We'll plug this in the same fashion. You have the ends right here. The keyed end. We're going to connect them together. Push them in. This nut right here will line them up right here. This one right here. Same deal. Plug into the socket. Tighten the nut. All right. The last light right here. Solid installation. We have all the lights installed now. We plugged in. We got lights. The Govee app right there for the lights. Click on the light to add those lights. Connecting to the Govee lights right now. The device is pairing. Boom. Power on now. Wi-Fi connected. Successful. We have the app right now. Look at the C mode. You got all the lights right there. We have the rainbow effect right there. Nice, right? The Aurora mode. The Halloween mode. The Christmas mode. No, it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. We got the Valentine mode right there. We got the holiday colors right here. The party mode. Let's go. Dun, 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 dun. Fire mode. Oh, that's hot. The crossing mode. The blossom mode. Spring mode. Summer mode. Summertime happens so fast. We got the fall effect. The winter effect. You can change the brightness of these easily. These Govee lights are ridiculously awesome. Govee lights right here. Oh, yeah. Guys, these Govee lights are awesome. IP66 waterproof and RGBIC. Govee lights, RGBIC, IP66 waterproof flood lamps right here. Oh, yeah.